So for the final part, let's try to use sum and difference formula involved in your inverse trigo function. This is the question. You need to compose cos with inverse tangent -2 minus pi over 6. So what you need to do is, first we need to take this part here and this part here apart. This is your x and this will be your y. So what you have just now is cos x minus y. Okay, so later on we open up the formula using a difference formula of cos. Okay, so this is it. Later on we'll open as cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So let's do separately first for x. So let x as inverse tangent -2. Okay, so let's open up this. This is tangent x, right? Tangent x now is -2 over 1. So now we need to utilize to draw the quadrant here. Okay. So you only have two options, whether you are in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. Tangent is negative. Definitely you are in quadrant 4. Let's put in our value. Tangent x is -2 over 1, opposite over adjacent. So then you can build up your hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem. It will be sed 5. Okay, so this is your triangle here. So from the table here, you can read what value you want, cos x and sin x, which is cos x is 1 over sed 5 and sin x is -2 over sed 5. Next, let's look at your y. Your y is already simple, pi over 6. So just let it be like that. So now let's fill in all of our value. So first of all, cos x, 1 over sed 5. Next is cos y, so cos pi over 6, which is sed 3 over 2. Next, you want sin x. Sin x is -2 over sed 5. And then you want sin y, sin pi over 6, which is 1 over 2. So that's it. So just solve whatever value you have here using calculator. So this is your answer. Now let's see, there's another example here. So the same, you have addition inside here of sine. So let's take this as your x and the second one here to be your y. Later on, you'll have sine x plus y. So you can open up using summation of sine, which is sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, so now let's open up one by one first. So this one here, let's solve inside function. This is x and this is y. So first of all, x is inverse tangent sed 5 over 2. So let's open up your tangent here. Tangent x is sed 5 over 2. So now tangent is positive. Definitely within this domain here, you are in quadrant 1. So let's draw quadrant 1. Put in a value. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. And this is your hypotenuse. So please look here. Later on, you'll need sin x and cos x. So let's read the answer here. Let's read the value here. Sin x will be sed 5 over 3. And later on, you need cos x, so cos x is 2 over 3. Okay, so just leave this first. Let's solve for y. So now let's focus on your y. Let y as inverse sine minus 5 over sed 28. So now let's solve for sine y. Sine y is -5 over sed 28. So this is domain for y. Definitely when your sine is negative, you are in the fourth quadrant. So just draw your fourth quadrant. Fill in the values of sine y is opposite over hypotenuse. Later on, we need cos y. So let's read from here. Cos y will be sed 3 over sed 28. Okay, now let's fill in all of the value you needed here. Sin x is sed 5 over 3. Cos y is sed 3 over sed 28. Plus cos x is 2 over 3. And sin y, which is -5 over sed 28. So that's it. Just use your calculator to get your final answer. Sed 15 minus 10 over 3 sed 28. So that's it for inverse trigonometric function. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.